Hi, this is Sandeep. Our today's topic is how you can create SharePoint item using Microsoft Form and Power Automate. So let's get started and see how we can do that. So to complete this assignment, the first thing we need that is SharePoint list. And that is what I have here. I already created a SharePoint list. You can easily create using, you can go on the first page, the home page, and there you can see list. Using this link, you can select any list from here. And that is how you can create a SharePoint list. I created using issue tracker. And that's why you can see I named it client tickets. So after that, what we need is Microsoft Form. So from where we'll collect data and then we will insert in SharePoint list. So I also created a form that is Titan support form, and you can easily create Microsoft Form. You know that how you easily you can drag and drop this kind of link and create a support form. So this is how I created. The next thing what we need to do is to create a Power Automate flow, and then we can insert data in Microsoft list. Because if I will go here and if I will just try to get collect a response, copy link, and I will paste in this browser. And if I will submit this form like Sandeep 11 and error like installation error, order Power Automate, product name STW 365 automation software, which we created already. And then I will submit. And you can see I got thanks, but let me go back to my list and refresh and see. So we don't have, we added Sandeep 111 and we don't have here. So that is what we have to create. We need to create using Power Automate. So I will go here and I will click on create and select automated cloud flow. And the first thing is when a new response is submitted, and that is what we need. So I will select this, click on create. And the very first thing we need to do that is we need to select that particular form, and the form is Titan support form. I selected that. The next step is to collect the response from this form, and this action is get response. So get a response from this file, and that is what we need to get response. And yeah, you can see Microsoft Form. So we selected get response detail using Microsoft Form. And again, we need to select that particular form, and that is Titan support form. So I selected here, and response ID is nothing, the ID you are getting from that particular form. So I added that. And now the next step is to create a row in Microsoft list using this form. So what we'll do is we'll select and go and search for SharePoint, and the action we need to select that is create item, because that is what we are going to do. We are going to create a particular item, and here I will select the list because we need to specify that in which list we want to create the item, and that is STW Titans. And then again I will select client tickets because this is what we need here. We need a row in this particular list, and list name is client tickets. So I will go back here, and now what we can do is we can select in a dynamic content, we can select all those names which we want here. So I will error because that is where we are getting error detail. Priority, you can set whatever you want like high, low, and as it is a new ticket, so we'll have the new. And claim I will assign to a member in my company, and that is Anoop. And then reported date. So you can see like we have some submission date. It means that when this form will be submitted, the time will come here. So now it's okay. Now we can save and our flow is ready. So let's go and test it. Submit another response. I will click and Sandeep, and here I will uh, add Sandeep 001. So we can identify error, testing error, and here STW 001, and then product name is STW 365. We created our automation product using Microsoft 365. So that's why I'm using it here, and then I will submit. So I got thanks. Let me go back and see if it's here or not. So let me refresh. Yeah, it's here. It means that we successfully created our Power Automate flow. Let's go back to the Power Automate flow and see. You can see it succeeded. So this is how you can create. If you want to just see how we created, let me explain one more time. The first step, you will collect the response. Then the next step, you will collect the response from that particular form and using response ID, and then we'll use a create item action of SharePoint, and then we will map everything whatever we want from that form and insert in that particular list. And this is how you can create an item in SharePoint list using Microsoft Form. So in today's video, we learn how we can create SharePoint list item using Microsoft Form and Power Automate. If you like my content, please like and subscribe my channel. So I will create this kind of video and help you in your technical journey. This is Sandeep Misra signing out.